What's going on, family? Black Finish checking in. Just want to give you one more small update. Just made this last piece of the handrail and installed that so you can kind of see the idea of what we're doing. When I get ready to install this and put this on there, you'll get the full concept of how the platform will go up there. I still have to put the wood like this down on the top of the container, so that'll be the last process, but this one will actually be ready and done, and I just have to assemble it. So the staircase will actually sit here to brace the top of that lip right there, which is 1.5 inches. It'll brace the top of that lip right there, and then we'll be able to walk on like here. So it'll be more like this, and you can view everything from here, whatever, and then you walk onto the container. Bow. So that's the goal. Just wanted to kind of show you the way I designed this. This was just an extra safety deal to keep anything from going under. Could have went down lower, but that's a good spot. I'm really worried about nobody getting under there. At first I was thinking about coming all the way down here, but I don't really think I needed to for the kids. And then plus it's going to be real close to the wall here. The platform is actually 38 by 38, which gives you a 36 by 36 platform. And the staircase is 1 inch. It's 29.5 inches wide. So it'll give plenty of room to sit there. So just wanted to give you an idea of what I was doing and how I was building it. And I'm pretty much done. I just got to screw everything down. I actually got to go buy the ones I bought wasn't the right ones. So I want the ones that anchor in plus self-tapper. So that way I can kill two birds with one stone when I'm anchoring it down. So I fall back probably, like I say, whenever I get ready to establish this, which will be probably in a week or so before I even put it up. But I'm going to have it done. So I just wanted to give you an update of it. Hold on.